Hi, I'm Priscilla, an illustrator, surface pattern designer, and Skillshare top teacher. I love helping creatives bring their ideas to life using iPad-based design apps. In this class, we're going to create a vector-based cocktail illustration entirely in Affinity Designer version 2 on the iPad. This lesson is the perfect follow-up to my first Mastering Affinity Designer beginner class here on Skillshare. We'll build on those foundational tools and apply them to a more advanced project that combines shapes, gradients, reflections, and transparency. I will guide you step by step through creating the illustration, complete with glass, multicolored drink, ice, and an orange slice. This class is designed to help you become more confident with the tools in the app while creating something fun, fresh, and festive on your iPad. By the end of this class, you'll have a polished design that you can export for print. To help you follow along seamlessly, I've included a sketch and color palette with the class so you can use the same tools that I'm using every step of the way. All you'll need is your iPad, Affinity Designer version 2, and your stylus. So join me in class and we will get started in the next lesson by accessing your class resources.